Bitcoin is heading to $40,000 as the Fed decided to not raise the rates anymore by now. So good news. If you need to know anything about this, smash the like button. This is crypto news, fun on the right crypto topic. As I'm telling you, Bitcoin heading to those $4,000, while the FOMC, for me, the FOMO, the fear of missing out, mostly said Jerome Powell and friends that they are not going to raise the rates. This is awesome. And here you can see how we broke the triangle and we just headed to $36,000. We need to break that. We will use this indicator of the golden cross. If you want to know everything about this, just watch the video I told you everything about. Also, I told you exactly the price of one Bitcoin after the ETF is approved in the last one. So do not miss that out, and do not miss Round Up, our partners this month in Fun on the Ride, because you can earn 5% back. Because I know most of you haven't registered yet, and you have the link in the description below. And the thing is that anytime this month, we're going to have Round Pro. And if you want to have Roundup Pro for 3 months free, you need to register right now. Come on, do it today. I know, remember, this is revolutionary cost you won't have to pay in the future. And I explained that to you in previous videos, and I will. So again, go now, do it today, because I know you didn't. And tell me in the comments below, okay, Rodri, I did it today. And so I take you off my blacklist. Going back to Bitcoin, you can see that again we had a counter indicator in Rodri Fun on the right. I expected 2 red candles for the previous day and the day of the decision, and we had 2 green candles as the last time. All the other times for those decisions were red candle the day previous, red candle the day of the decision, but we have 2 times now with green and green. Anyways, you can see here there's no race. We'll see Europe, what happens there, but now those 2 green candles, and we have to wait till December the 13th for another decision similar to that. If we go to Bitcoin, you can see here that we had a green day yesterday, and today going down right now. The same thing as dollar at the moment, but this might change in the next hours. Any case, October was a great month for Bitcoin. We closed in 28.52, which is awesome. We almost nailed the idea of the 33% from October 2015. We'll see if we can make a 19.27 this month. This is something we're going to talk about here in Fun on the Ride. Remember to smash the like button. This is something we told you about in previous videos. Remember here a sneak peek of that theory in previous videos. You can see that we are adjusting the idea for the last quarter of the year. If we closed in the 29, then the 19 will bring us to 41,300, and then the 14th for December to 47,200. What do you think about this? Leave a comment below. But remember, we had also in those videos the idea of Halloween, and we are still not closing the week. It seems to be a red one, but I expect a green one as we had in past times. Remember, it mostly always is a green week. So Bitcoin should go a little bit up, and maybe they go for good, down for good, as we told you in previous videos. Today, we are going to consider what will happen in November with Bitcoin. Now we have the close of October. October, we closed in the green. So now we have 5, no 4 Octobers in the green, 5 in a row, because we have 9, not 8 Octobers in the green in the whole story of Bitcoin, just 4 in the red. So October, a very, very nice month for Bitcoin. What about November? Remember, these charts just Rodri Fun on the Right giving you for you, just with TradingView, link in the description below, and smash the like button. Use the links below if you want to say thank you to me. Now, what about November? Well, in November, in story Bitcoin, we have 7 Novembers in the green, 5 in the red. So it's also a good month, we can say, mostly tied. And the last 2 times we were in the red. So this is one of the red flags for me. The last 2 times that was red. It's true that we were in a bear market, and maybe we are not. We are changing gears right now. But for me, first black, just red flag that the last two times were red. Also, if you come here, you can see that after this green we had that the last two times green, green, red, red. So for me, that would be the second red flag. It's true that here you can see in this bull market three times green, green in a row, but I don't know about that. If we compare the situation in 3 months, the last quarter of the year, well, you can see the one we are comparing to was green, 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 and that's cool, but the last two times it was green, red, red, green, red, red. So yes, I expect a red November and red December. I have to decide. I have to be the counter indicator. So I expect this month and December to be red. But this is okay. And also consider that I am quite in a drama here. I can't make myself. I have to make a decision, but I have both information to believe those are going to be green and to believe those are going to be red. You can see here we are comparing for a long time in the monthly chart. All these colors are the same as here. So almost the exact same pattern. Just one of those was different. So then if we are following path, you can see it's time for red and red. That's my idea. And that's why, and also because the last 2 years, etc., I believe those are going to be red and then start going up again as we did in 2016, 17, and then 18. But the drama, my indecision comes because if we go to that period of time, if we consider 2015 or 2016 for the months we are right now, November and December, you can see that both times we had a November and December in the green in 2015, and in 2016 we had November and December in the green too. So, well, I have undecided myself. Just tell me yourself in your comment below if we are going to have them red or green. Thank you for your opinion. We nailed it the last month. You call me the counter indicator, which is really Jim Cramer, but we nailed it this time exactly. So we'll see in November. I'm not going to tell you today what I believe exactly because I have like 3 paths. It can go up, down, or flat, as you can see. And I need more time to decide myself. Remember past videos last year and the year before that. Are we going to have a Moonbember? No, we went down. What about 2 years ago? Well, again, remember those were red months. The last quarter was a bad one. So are we changing gears? Are we already in the bull market or not? Elon Musk trolling there the birthday of Satoshi Nakamoto. Remember the video? We told you everything. We celebrated Halloween with you and the birth of Bitcoin, that white paper in this video here. Well, now he's trolling and we'll see with dextools.io if Dogecoin is going up. We have a dog here, some dogs there. So careful with that, and you need to know dextools.io. And remember, you have 75% discount if you want to go in Barcelona, November the 10th and 18th and 11th to the party and to learn a lot. Just click the link below and you'll have the 75% discount applied to your tickets. So again, do not miss that out because it's quite like a present. 75%, that is just too much. Do not miss that out. We are running out of those 75 apply discount tickets. And back to Elon Musk. Well, he is with Joe Rogan in another interview. They shot an arrow to the Cybertruck and it won't come into it. Just a trick, as you are watching Fun on the Ride. If they shoot you with a gun and you are inside the car, the bullet will cross, of course, the door. So do not believe, because of movies, that it won't. It will also just go through both doors, as we learned in this interview. Very interesting. You have it in Spotify. I will link you the link in the description below. But I didn't really enjoy this one. Maybe because I already read the memoirs of Elon Musk books in Audible, better Audible. I will leave you the link in the description below also for this book. And well, the idea is that now I know, well, it's not this one. You have to go for the last one here. You have it, the one from Walter Isaacson here. And you have two of them. I've written both of them. And once you read this, well, just the interview is not that interesting anymore because it's just information you know already. I leave you the link below to Audible. You help the channel and you can watch it for free. Try it for 1 month and then you say goodbye to Audible if you don't like it, but I think you will. Also, of course, you can buy it in Amazon, Elon Musk, Walter, and I will link you, I give you the link, and also it's a referral link, so if you buy it with this link, you help the channel. Thank you very much. Again, not very interesting interview. They ate a pizza, and I hate listening to people while they are chewing food. Do you like that? I just really, really hate it. So I didn't enjoy that part that I had to skip. I watched it at 6x and they say no interesting thing while they ate that pizza. They smoked cigars and drank some alcohol, no weed at this time. So yeah, any case, I think it's the information they share. Well, it was about Zach Zuckerberg and if he's willing to fight him, he is. They took a long time speaking about that, and also about how difficult it is to manufacture the Cybertruck and deliver it, not just the prototype, but then selling the actual cars to the retail people. And well, they talk about X, Twitter, and how allegedly they saved the world because we were going maybe even to a side where they were going to kill humanity, and they help a little bit with this X acquisition. Any case, watch it if you find this interesting. He talked about crypto. He said that NFTs are worthless because they point to an URL, but community is divided there. Some that applaud that text because that means that ordinals Bitcoin is okay. Some people say that if you put all those on ordinals, you are just using Bitcoin for something is useless, and also you are making bigger the protocol, the chain. So that's not a good idea. And then also some people that say that, well, okay, those URLs can point into an IPF system, decentralized one. So not really true. He criticized in the past also NFTs. These NFTs are in the room with us right now. Like you are in the ring and they're making fun. And again, people just defending the case for NFTs and blockchain, and some others defending ordinals. Back to Bitcoin, we are having a momentum slowing down according to Titan Crypto, but now resuming it as we did here in this important point, and also we did here and we did here. So we changed momentum, and then in all cycles we have a momentum slowing down, and then we keep on track going up. So hopefully this is true, and we are targeting now those $40,000 according to him. Also, Crypto Robert telling us that 36,500 is a huge resistance we need to break. I told you we are in the $36,000 range right now, and Crypto Robert just using back this plan B stock to flow model, saying that we are still very, very undervalued. So interesting. And Francisco Calvachi saying here that if you have a Bitcoin, you'll be a very fortunate person in the future, no matter the price today. If you don't have one, consider it a possibility to get one. And he says fun on the right there. So thanks for sharing. Consider, we told you on X, Twitter, follow us there, that almost 93% of all Bitcoin in existence, it's men already. We have 100 years for the rest to be mined. MicroStrategy believes in Bitcoin. He bought again 155 Bitcoin in October. Now it has 158,400. Crypto whales buying 30,000 Bitcoin in less like a week. So you can see people interested in Bitcoin right now when we are fighting for the green in the markets. The bubbles are crazy up. Solana, Dogecoin, all of them in the green. Solana up 81% in the last month. Why? Well, you have here some explanation because it's better than Ethereum, whatever. Also here, they say it went up to 160% year to date because the institutions are buying Solana. Remember, I don't really like that. I defend Ethereum, and I believe that as they are going to sell from FTX, they are trying to pump it right now, and then they will dump it. But again, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, and I will probably be wrong. We'll see that in the future. Here you have the chart we need to break if you are bullish on Solana. This very interesting point here. If we do so, well, people will start going crazy on Solana. And Shiba Inu now has an SNS system for its domains, like the ENS system. Again, the most important ones fighting for the green. We are greedy in the market. We are in the 72, and we fear some things. It's still Halloween in our heart with the fiat currencies. Here from Javier Bitcoin, we have that social service, health social service in Spain is up like 6 times from 2017. Crazy stuff. Also scary from CryptoGate.io, just suspending withdrawals for 24 hours. Allegedly, everything's okay, but we'll see tomorrow. And the most disgusting guy, Gary Gensler, from the SEC, the clown that now took the time to type about Satoshi Nakamoto and the community. We hated that. He said happy birthday to crypto. Some community saying it's Bitcoin, not crypto. But any case, he's just making fun there of Satoshi. And the Bitcoin therapist answered with this custom for Halloween. Bitcoiners who hodl from 69 to a 15K. I love this custom, don't you? We have more of those DTCC listings now. We have Invesco Galaxy there, so that ETF dream is closer and closer. Remember also, we fear the gaps of the CME we have there. We told you everything about the ETFs and those gaps in previous videos. And Ethereum, the one I defend, not Solana, but Ethereum, going a little bit down right now, but in its way to $2,000. Tomorrow in Crypto News, I will tell you my expectations for the monthly. Are we losing momentum with Ethereum? And here a sneak peek of what I believe that can happen in the long run for Ethereum. What about this dog? So fat right now. Maybe Dogecoin is going to the moon. And what about ourselves the day that our dream comes true? I just dreamed today that Bitcoin was in an all-time high. So we are close to that dream coming true, and that day we are going happy. We are almost tasting now the financial freedom that we were fighting for so many times. If you don't join us today, you can start your fight today and be as happy as this guy in the future. What about this other guy just drinking whatever it can of Bitcoin? It's just a little bit, but it's more than anything. Good for you, good cat, just watching our videos and learning and then having some fun like this guy. It's not all about the money. This cat is saying we are happy just with some love. Of course, if you want to give me love, go to YouTube and follow us there. Also, we have an artificial intelligence channel with more than 1,500 subscribers already. Watch the 21 videos, and I will upload the new one once the last one is beyond 1,000. So go there and give us some love. Watch it now, or maybe watch the video about the DNA, or the last one, or whatever you want. Keep on learning with Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!